Welcome to another Vahrenberg Implement Product Informational Series video. And today we're here with the HDGS96 Grading Scraper. This is the largest grading scraper from RhinoAG. It covers an 8-foot in width. It's got 8 Scarifier teeth on the front here with a maximum tilling depth of 3 inches. The box height is 15 7/8 inches tall. That's your height in there. It has a 3/16 inch side panel thickness. Going to weigh in at 828 pounds. This is for bigger tractors. This is an 8-foot in the HD series, and here is a 5 and a 6-footer. So you can see there's a lot of difference in construction here between the HD series and the standard 5 and 6 foot grading scrapers. This has dual cutting edges, as you can see in here. You got one in the back. These are replaceable and reversible. They're 1/2 inch thick. The front bar here, front box, is made by 4x4 with 3/8 inch wall tubular steel, solid tubular steel across the front there. The back one is a 4x4 with 1/4 inch wall. Has replaceable skid shoes, which you can see right there along the bottom there. The skid shoe is 3/4 inches wide, 3/4 inches thick by 2 inches wide and 19 1/8 inches long. One of the unique features of the HD series is the multiple holes there to adjust your scraper angle of the front scraper, and you come back here on the back and you can adjust the back angle. So you can change the pitch of the angle front to rear of how aggressive the grading scraper angle is. These are excellent tools if you're trying to level land. Like if you're farming, this would be a great one for a bigger tractor like the 4710 here. Would match up really well. And after you get done feeding in the winter, you got that ground all rutted up from the tractor and the cattle and stuff. Grading scraper, you can bust it up, level it back out, reseed it, and be ready to have nice smooth ground again for the next year. Grading scrapers also work excellent on gravel driveways, parking lots, that type of stuff, to fluff the material up. The big thing with the grading scraper is you can adjust the scarifier by pulling the pin. These actually have 1, 2, 3, 4 holes there. From that one to how deep you run your scarifier. You put your pin back in, put your cotter key back in if you want to engage them or not. If you're just trying to level or refurb, you can raise your scarifier teeth up and let your blades do the work. That's what works really good on lots or just leveling stuff. But if it's hard packed, you can engage the scarifiers to do more. This is a category 1-2 hitch. Does come with a pin. Pin's going to enter in here and go all the way through, but you got category 1 in this area, category 2 in this area. So it'll work on cat 1-2 implements or tractors. So you got a variety of uses. This bigger, beefier built heavy duty grading scraper is going to allow you to get into your larger tractors to do more work, keep your place fixed up, rejuvenated and everything. There's not a whole lot more. You can adjust your angles, you can separate the distance by the adjustments on both sides. You'll see it right there and right here on the HD series. Also available is an 84 inch 7-foot machine. This is the largest, the HDGS96, which is an 8-foot machine. Come check them out, visit your local RhinoAG dealer and get your heavy duty grading scraper. If you're in West Central Missouri, you come visit us right here at Vahrenberg Implement. We're your Massey Ferguson RhinoAG dealer here in Higginsville, Missouri. Right at the corner of 13 Highway and Business 13. Just 4 miles north of Interstate 70. 49 miles from the Missouri-Kansas line. We're getting a lot more equipment back in. We're stocking up on a lot of Rhino stuff. But still, you can order these things and get the one built exactly for your needs and your tractor. Thank you for tuning in. Tune back in as we go more in depth about other great products from the companies we get to represent.